Troopers, Max and Max's Models here. Hope you are having a wonderful morning. As you can tell, this is actually shot yesterday evening, and I'm out of town today, so no more content, but I thought I'd have this set to go up in the morning. Hope you enjoyed the viewer's build. I've been working on the Aurora DH10A and mostly pre-painting stuff, getting things masked off, getting the colors on it and everything. So far, not too many missteps. The usual little blemishes and thumbprints and stuff that you have to clean up. The main thing is getting the wings level. That's a bit of a trick, but this model's pretty good sized, and those wings, although they fit very snugly, they don't really bite into a lot, so it's very easy to get them lopsided. Everyone who's built it has told me that getting the dihedral in the upper wing and getting the wings level, that's kind of the big trick. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm giving this overnight to harden along with all the paint. I've pretty much got most of it painted now, so it's more of an assembly thing. And of course, the big challenge will be the rigging when I'm done. And I've got a couple of ideas how I'm going to do that. I think I am going to use Easy Line, and at the moment, my cunning plan is to use a touch of Gorilla Glue, mount the struts, put the wing on top, but only brace it on top, don't glue it into place, but have the bottoms glued into place. So basically the upper wing section would become, for all practical purposes, it would become a template. And then once that hardens, take the upper wing off, lace some of the Easy Line on the upper sections over the nubs that go. Unfortunately, these are tapered struts with a nib on the bottom, so they have a little, they're not straight all the way down, which means it might be a little easier to tie them off. But tie off Easy Line on each one of them, tack glue or glue that in place, probably CA glue, and then once that hardens, go ahead and put the wing on, glue it into place. And once both wings are firmly cemented into place and hardened overnight, then go in and lace, tie everything off, and since all the anchor points will be in place. That's kind of the evil plan anyway, and we'll see how it goes. So far, the one other problem was that the port wing, I didn't notice this when I was painting everything, but there was flash blocking about a good 40% of the area of the wing where the tab went in. It was easy to get out, but I just didn't catch that before because it was so smooth. I thought maybe they'd had different size slats so you couldn't get the sides mixed up. So who's to say? Anyway, it's all taken care of. I've got the lower wing hardening in place overnight, but like I say, there's not a lot of places for it to get much purchase to hold the dihedral. Maybe putting the landing gear on it, which is supported by the lower wing, might help it to stay in place. So we'll see how that goes. Well, not tomorrow, because I'm going to be all day tomorrow. I leave in the morning, head down to Orlando. I should hook up with Keeler, Jim Keeler, the famous kit model designer. We'll probably go to Desertland, do some stuff, and I don't think we'll be able to live stream, but anything. But when I get back, it'll be late, so I won't put any content out. Maybe I'll put something out for the road, but I wouldn't count on it. And then the next day, it's back to the grind. So that's where we're at for right now. I also did start on the sea view. It took a surprising number of clamps in some interesting places to get those sides to sort of hold together, and I've just got the two halves together. I really don't want to go much further. I'm debating on getting an LED light to stick in it, just so it's got that glide. It would be pretty easy to light up. You got the little lights on each side of the sail, which many landlubbers call the conning tower. So we'll see. But yeah, if you just want to slap that kit together, you can build it in an hour. But I want to do a few nights, maybe do some nice things. We'll see how it goes. I might use the light out of the lighthouse, because the lighthouse comes with an actual LED and everything, which I never bothered to put the battery into, so I never actually used it. That might fit in there. Okay, guys, that's what we have for right now. You take care of yourselves. You have a wonderful day, and as always, model on.